Hi guys! So I have another swap reveal, and this swap is from Kate. And Kate, I believe, is Katie Ann Designs on Instagram, but I will put all of her info in the description bar. And it appears that she has two of the same item, so I think that this item is for me. And yes, hostess. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna open this up. It's so cute. This little bag is adorable. So I'm gonna open this up here. And of course, I'm gonna save this pretty glitter mesh ribbon kind of situation here, and then we're gonna open up and see what we have inside. So let's see here. We have okay, yes, both baskets have the same items. Thank you for hosting this fun swap. I've really enjoyed crafting these things. Okay, and then she has her postage here. So okay, so she put her postage in here, and that's so sweet. Okay, thank you so much. And look at these strawberries and bows. Oh, I know there's gonna be somebody very happy. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of stuff. All right, let me bring this off camera, and I will just pull out the items. Oh my gosh, I know this collection. Okay, so look how cute, stinking cute this is. And she has them all in these reusable bags. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And we have this here, and then, oh my goodness, oh my gosh, I love those. Okay, love those. And then she has, there's so much stuff in here, you guys. Oh my gosh. And this is oh, that's funny, this is the sweet treat. I thought the Mentos were the sweet treat. Also, you guys, this bag is like in one of those insulated bags. This is a nice bag. Look at this. Like, you see how it's like insulated on the inside? So cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Like I feel like I'm going on a picnic. And then this one says sweet treat. All right, so let's open something here. And I recognize this little, I recognize this mouse, but then the collection looks different than the mouse. Okay, let's see. Oh, handcrafted notebook. All right, so let's move this over. Let's open this guy first because it has a little thing on it. So she used some doilies to close this up, but look at these bags that she used, these resealable bags. So those could be definitely reused. And here we have, we have like a tag flip. Look how cute. And there's a little strawberry in here. How adorable is that? I can't. Okay. So in this is a cute little strawberry, and I don't know if it opens. It does open. So let's see, what is it? Oh, I think it's a lip gloss, you guys. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, it's adorable. It is adorable. Okay, so we have that there. That was in the bottom of this. And then she made like a little tag flip. And so he has all this fun trim up here. And they matched perfectly. Look at these little strawberries here. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this. Adorable. Oh my goodness gracious. So cute. And she used this strawberry, and I think this is a Scrap Diva strawberry. And look, she has the closure. Like, this is like a little mini album. And I think the name of this die is actually Strawberry Mini Album. And she embellished the front with all these flowers and this little button, which is so stinking cute. And then when you flip it, the first one, okay, so it's kind of like a little embellishment album. The first one has all these strawberry sentiments, and it says, strawberry, you are very cute. I like you very much. Fresh pics and very sweet. Oh my gosh, so cute. And it's double-sided. I love that. I love this paper. This heart paper. And then on the other one here, she has some flowers, and she put like string in the middle and then used a flower as the flower center. How pretty is that? That's so pretty, so creative. So look at these flowers. So pretty. And then on the back here, she has, this is so cute. This is a little blender. She must be making a strawberry smoothie in here. So she has a little strawberry. That is cute, cute, cute. And then she has this little bow. And look how adorable. There's a little strawberry cabochon in the middle. Adorable. And then another one here. And this is the puppy stickers. This sticker is from the Doodlebug collection, which is, I think, possibly what she used. Maybe not. I might be wrong on that, but that is so cute. She at least used that sticker from there. So cute. And then the back is just like the front. Love that. So stinking cute. Oh my goodness gracious. I love that. Okay, so let's put that to the side, and then let us open this one. Look at this cutesy little rabbit on the front. He's so cute. And she used these little clips, which you can reuse, but she decorated this one and put like trim on it and everything, and that is just adorable. I love that. So then we have another one of these reusable bags, and she has a little sticker on the front. So cute. And in here we have this cute little mouse. Yeah, this is the collection that I thought she was using. This is so cute. She put some extra like strawberry goodies on it. And this is adorable. Look at this little goose in the background. Oh my goodness gracious. And this is closed with Velcro. And on the inside, oh, look at this. So this is like a little, I don't know. It's not an album, but it kind of reminds me of an album because it opens up like one. And in here, this opens up. And she put a fruit tea in here. So this is a fruit tea with strawberries and mangoes. Ooh, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Oh yeah, and then strain. It has licorice. This is this sounds really yummy. Wow. Okay, so that's wonderful. Thank you. I want to put it back in there, but I know I won't be able to close this up. Like you can forget it. Okay, maybe like this one and this one and this one and this one. Let's see, baby. I did it. Okay. And then oh my gosh, there's more of them. Okay, I'm turning this to the side. Another tea. Forest berries. You know what's funny? I have not. Like, I like tea, but I haven't had many fruit teas. I'm like very much, I'm so plain. I drink like Earl Grey, you know, Irish breakfast, English breakfast. This one has cherries. Ooh, yummy. You know, I have one of those like tea things that strains the tea too. So this will give me a good excuse to use it. So this is adorable. I love this. How cute is that? I love it. So that was in this bag here. And then we have this one, this bag. I should put my stuff neat, but I open my things like a savage. My goodness. Let me put the little strawberry in frame. So cute. Okay, good. Now you can see it. All right, now we have another one. Look at the little mouse. Oh my, this is the only way I like to see mice, okay? Pretend, inanimate. Okay, not real. And in here we have, let us see, we have a Memory-Dex card. And somebody recently asked me what a Memdex is, and a Memdex is a play on the old school Rolodex. And you know those old school Rolodex that our parents used to use, our grandparents used to use, where it was basically like an address book that was on a roll, so you could like go through it and find people. It's like that, but it's like a Crafty Rolodex. So we put them, they always have these little 2 holes at the bottom. We put them in a holder where they stand up like this, and then that way on the back of them they have usually the person's name, their birthday, their Crafty information, their address, stuff they like. And then that way, when you want to send Happy Mail, you just go through your Rolodex, find their info, and then it's like you have a Crafty one. So that's basically the premise of a Memory-Dex. So enough of that. And then on the back, she just has that it was created by her. Love. And that is so cute. And then another one of these cutesy bags with this little how did she get these to stay on? Oh, I think she used hot glue, because I'm like, man, these would be like tough to get a sticker to stay on. Okay, then she has this little box with a little goose again. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. And this is a sweet treat. Okay, let's see what's in here. She also gave Mentos, which is another sweet treat, which I love. And oh, this is something that I have never had. This looks like right up my alley. Okay, so they're called Milkta or Milkita. And they're real milk candy, but in strawberry. This looks like something that would be so yummy. This is right up my alley. I have never heard of these. I am going to very much enjoy them. I already know. This is like, I love like, it reminds me of like the cream savers. Like I love creamy, sweet things. Like, yeah, even my favorite drink is, it's wild cherry Pepsi Zero with cream. Like it's Pepsi Zero with cream, wild cherry Pepsi with cream zero. I think that's how you say it, but it has like the cream. I love things that have cream in them. Okay, and then we have another cutesy bag here. Oh, I can't wait to open this. This looks so cute. And another one of these big reusable bags. And in here we have, oh, this is like a jumbo rosette, you guys. She has a little strawberry on here. And then look how cute. It's a shaker. This is like I think this is a Doodle Pop. And then she used like a bunch of stuff from the So Berry Sweet collection and it mixed it with this collection, and it is just so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. It is so adorable. And look, let you have a close-up of this and all of the like fun details that she included. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so pretty. I don't know what kind of was this like a sticker or I haven't seen these. They're so cute. She has a little puppy stickers on here. She has some ephemera. that little bird that is so classic Doodlebug. I love this. Oh my gosh, it is just so cute. So cute. It's so you could actually like use this for so many ways. You could use this as an ornament, which you could just hang it. She has a little hanging thing here. If you wanted to make this into a wand, you could, and like stick a little stick here. It's just so many uses for this. But she has like a humongous rosette. Wow, this is a really big rosette. And then she has another layering piece here. And then she has another rosette under here. And then she has some flowers here that she made and a whole bunch of ephemera and more of those flowers up front here. So pretty. I love this. This is just gorgeous. And then the last, but certainly not least item is this big thing here. Oh, handcrafted notebook with craft supplies. Okay. Okay. So I think her, you know, crafty items are in here. So I'm going to save that doily. And then we have a big reusable bag in here. So let me open this up. Be off camera just for a second. Just for a second. Okay, so she has it in this pretty paper again. So pretty. And then she has this little, I love this Doodlebug house. So cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Wow. So she made a notebook. It's like a folio. It has like the crafting items in here. Like this is so pretty. Look at all of this ephemera on the front here. Oh my goodness gracious. I love that some of the ephemera is like embossed or like glossy on the front. Just so pretty. I love all these little animals. They are so stinking cute. She has a tab right here, this cute little bow. And look at the back. Oh my, and it's stuffed, okay? Stuffed. Oh my gosh, there's more treats in here. She gave a million treats, and this is a treat I know. This is a treat I love. Wait, look. Oh my gosh, Milka. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love Milka. Oh my goodness gracious. And strawberry. I don't think I've ever had this one, but I love strawberry anything. Strawberry flavored anything. Like, count me in. Count me in. She made this beaded pen with these strawberries. So cute. So adorable. Oh, and then this is the Nuvo glue pen. I have used this pen and it is great. So this must be her crafting tool. And actually she gave another crafting tool too, which is this. I have this in my cart at scrapbook.com right now. I didn't order it yet. These are all the ginghams. And this is the A2 size. So they have two sizes of these. They have their big 6x8 and then they always have it in the A2 size. So this is literally, you stick it on a card like it's already cut and everything for you. And see, it's 4 1/4 by 5.5, so it's literally ready to go right as your card base, on your card base. Perfect. Love those. And then she gave you some crafting decorative items. So these icon sprinkles, which are so cute. And then this little doodle pop. Who doesn't love a doodle pop? I have such a hard time actually using them though. I hoard them. And then look how pretty she decorated the front of this folder with this goose again. So cute. Another one of her flowers and some lace on here. And then this is the notebook here. So look, oh my gosh. She added some, like this huge, okay, wait, I know the name of this. Oh yeah, Diana Markham. This is so cute. This is a stamp, you guys. So Diana Markham does a lot of stamps that have like recipes on them, but they're also stamps, and I love this so much. I do not even have a single one, so I am so happy to have this. And this paper that you use is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this paper. And she like fussy cut around it for this folder. Oh my gosh. And then she gave this one is called, it doesn't have the name of it on it, but this is a Scrap Diva die, and I think it makes like, you know, little, like almost like sequins, like little sequins, little cutouts, shaker bits. And there's hearts in here, a circle, and also 2 other different types of circles. That's so nice. And then she also gave these. Oh my gosh, I love these. So this is from the same website, which is adornit.com. Oh my gosh, I love these. And I have gotten like trying to get into stamping, and I love all the stamps. So this is called Documented Faith, and it has wonderfully made, note to self, important things to do, and then these cutesy little things here. So that is so nice. And then to finish it out, this folio, which you can just like, you know, take these out and put in like paper or whatever you want to store in these 2 folders. and then just close it up, and then it'll be like flat. Like she made it gusseted, so this can go like completely flat. Like if this wasn't in here, you could like, this could be flattened, and you could just like stick paper in here, and then when you close it up, it would be like so small and easy. See, look, so nice. I love this this folio too. And then look, it has a memo pad, which I just love because I'm always writing a to-do list. Oh my gosh, Kate, thank you so much for your extraordinarily generous swap. I love this ribbon that you use. I know I made an entire mess out of all this stuff. There was so much. You included so many. We have like 3 sweet treats. We have paper. We have all of these goodies here. We have tea. We just have so much goodness here. So make sure you leave a comment below, and make sure you go and follow Kate on Instagram. I'm pretty sure that her Instagram is Katie Ann Designs, but I will put everything, like I always do, linked in the description bar. And you guys make sure you leave a comment and let her know how beautiful everything is, and make sure you subscribe, like, hype this video. And if you want to see more of this swap as well as all the other swaps that we've been having so much fun, we're almost done, but if you want to see any of the other stuff that we've been doing here, then please go in the description bar and you will see a playlist, and it will have all of the swaps up to now. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.